Hello, volunteers. Today's tutorial is going to show you how to edit any information on your My Impact page volunteer profile. So first, we're going to assume that you have at this point bookmarked this login page. So from the My Impact page login, go ahead and type in your username and password and click login. Once you've reached the home page for your volunteer portal, you're going to look for this tab that says My Profile. Now, there's a lot of information here, and most of it you're going to learn just by exploring, but we'll go through a few things today. First things first, if your contact information changes, for example, your address or your phone number, please do update that for us, and that's this contact information under the drop-down My Profile tab would allow you to do that. Qualifications, if for any reason you now have a qualification that you didn't when you first applied, just know that you can tell us about that. So if you're a member of multiple organizations, it will ask you to select the organization. And then it's going to give you a list of qualifications. For example, today, I'm just going to say I recently got my food handler's permit. So yes, I recently got that. I'm going to type in the date of when it expires, and then I'm going to click Save. Now that I've updated that I have that qualification, remember I said in one of our first training videos that we also require proof of that qualification. That's something you can actually do right here in your profile. So to upload proof of your qualification, go ahead and go to this additional info link under the My Profile tab. Click on that. Again, select the organization that you're changing this information for. And if you scroll down, there'll be a title tab that says Upload Certifications. So from here, it'll allow you to choose a file from your web or from your computer and upload that. Also in this tab, if you ever need to change your emergency contact information, give us any health or access information. If you want to review the volunteer agreement that you agreed to, that's here as well. And then your pronouns if you needed to update those. If you are a group volunteer, this is also here. And once you've uploaded your certification, you're always going to make sure you scroll down and save so that updates. Also under the My Profile tab, you'll see that there is a training list. So if you click training, it's going to take you to any trainings that are available for that organization. For example, for Cabral Community Center, we currently just have the safety training. This video that I'm making right now will also be under those trainings. So badges, that just shows you any badges you may have earned depending on how long you've been a volunteer with the program. If you ever need to change your password, you can do that here. If you want to view which organizations you're a part of, you would click here, and that will tell you the organizations and contact information of those organizations. And then if you want to set goals for yourself, if you want to update your interests, your availability, etc., all of that will be found under My Profile. So again, I recommend just exploring this page, figuring out what you can do, and updating those things as you see fit.